Kembali di Kompas Bisnis, Saudara. Gejolak ekonomi global dan ketidakpastian pasar terus terjadi. Namun emas masih kerap dianggap sebagai aset investasi yang aman dan tahan krisis. Lalu apakah emas masih bisa disebut sebagai investasi yang stabil? Dan bagaimana proyeksi pergerakan harganya hingga akhir tahun ini? Berikut liputan jurnalis Kompas TV Asri Gunawan dan juru kamera Bodia Vimala.
Di tengah gejolak ekonomi global dan naik turunnya harga komoditas, minat masyarakat Indonesia untuk berinvestasi di emas justru terus meningkat. Laporan dari World Gold Council juga menyatakan performa Indonesia terhadap emas ini terus meningkat atau sangat tinggi dibandingkan dengan kelas aset lainnya. Lebih detail soal stabilitas dan proyeksi harga emas, saya sudah bersama dengan Global Head of Central Bank's World Gold Council, Shao Kaifan. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Okay, so gold prices have been quite volatile lately. Would you regard gold as a stable investment asset?
I would say gold is absolutely a necessary asset for all investors to consider because the world is undergoing massive change that maybe a lot of investors are not quite prepared for. And the reason we've seen gold prices go up so much is because so many investors are concerned about the future of geopolitics, the future of trade relationships, and even the future of monetary policy and the stability of their currencies. So that's all what makes gold so attractive right now. So I'd say gold is absolutely a necessary asset going forward.
So what is your outlook for gold prices toward this end of this year? And then do you anticipate gold as a upward or downward trend?
So unfortunately, the World Gold Council doesn't forecast gold prices, but what I can say is that the fundamentals for gold demand remain very, very strong. Central banks have been buying record-breaking amounts of gold, and we expect that pattern to continue. Investors have been buying quite a bit of gold around the world as well. For all the reasons I said before, there's just a general sense of unease and uncertainty, and of the world moving into a very different and much less stable state. So I think that for all those reasons, investors are going to continue to value gold and will look to support the gold price and the gold market going forward.
Okay, I see that whatever the direction, the gold prices will continue to reflect investor sentiment and also the market dynamics. Okay, thank you so much, Shaukai. Okay. Saudara, tentu saja harga emas tidak bisa diprediksi secara pasti harga naik turunnya, namun tentu saja edukasi dan juga pengetahuan secara literasi terkait investasi emas perlu dilakukan dan perlu Anda ketahui sebelum Anda berinvestasi emas. Asri Gunawan, Bodia Vimala, Kompas TV, Jakarta.